what was the killer use case for AI that forced your hand, that really made you decide that you want to jump in and you want to start building production grade offerings for your customers?
Sure. I think everything started 2 years ago when I started to see a pattern from our clients requesting sometimes some really simple requests, to be honest, but in terrible times, like midnight at a Friday, midnight at a Sunday, and they need something, or even asking for something, and people need to wake up and need to go online. We were never able to create a team 24/7 because, especially for DevOps, there was no demand because you automate everything, right? Everything is auto scale, and there's no demand for 24/7 support. If you put somebody on that position, the person might not work, and then eventually they're gonna start a new job, and they're not gonna be available and know what to do at that time. So we never had that. So we always needed somebody to wake up and work on that specific thing. So eventually I just thought, look, what if we can turn AI into, a execution machine that can, check logs and check why pipelines fail, check if this environment is slow or not, to actually have somebody, wake up. That's an idea that I got 2 years ago, 2024. There's no cloud code yet. There's no all of those tools that do so much. There was not even MCP back then. And that's what the idea originally, right? So we built kind of proof of concept, and it worked amazing, especially in the beginning, right? It worked pretty well. We asked to check a server, to check on logs, and it was great. And eventually we put in production with a few clients. And I think that the one thing that amazed me was, Saturday, I think it was 12. No, it was Saturday, 5 p.m. my time. And we had a dev that was working, and he asked, my pipeline failed. And then the agent not only explained why the pipeline failed, but let him know the line that he had to change in order to make the pipeline. It was crazy. And at that point, I think there's no turning back from this, right? And the idea was just, now we need to make it a production level. We need to be able to stabilize that, and we need to make it cheap